Yeah, nation people, hear me I say. I see where this thing here get out of hand on the internet. With a look at 21-year-old sprinter girl from America. What's she name? Shacarri or whatever she want name. You know what I mean? Like, seriously, Gaza nation. Like, what this little girl want with Jamaica, the Jamaican happy here. Like, seriously, like, cause over the years, you know, Jamaica proved themselves in a sprinting, you know, and the world give them that respect there, you know. So, right now, I don't know what the little girl want to achieve, or, you know what I mean, if she prefer being a star on social media than being a star on the track, than what she do, because that's her application. You see what I say? Yo, you could have seen if this girl have an Olympic medal or a world champion medal, so you could have seen and overlook certain shit. You see what I say? Right about now, I think a girl that act too feisty and rude, you know what I mean? Because these are the things where them like to talk about. When they talk about Jamaicans and like them want to match up themselves with people, or them want to get bright. Them talk about banana boat, them talk about coconut tree, and all of them shit there. Let me tell you something, man. The same coconut tree they want to talk about better on a milk or on a drink or on a cereal, you know. These are the reasons why you can't beat Jamaican. And back in the days, all of who you see a sprint left Jamaican. You know what I mean? Take dope substance if you do that. Them not do that naturally. Let me tell you something. Naturally, Jamaican stronger than us. Naturally. Uno feed pan cereal, Jamaica drink porridge. Uno eat sandwich for una dinner and call it food. Jamaican eat real food, my brother. You see what I say? No gimmicks business not there in it. And if that wasn't be the case, you know, I don't have so much I want to pack up at the Jamaican restaurant. I try to get some rice and peas and oxtail. You know, can't dare to smell the curry goat and you don't want it. You see what I say? Yo, let me tell you something. A united nation build up America. So don't act like say. You don't feel like say well dead. We not play our part. Remember, them have you in a house, a order, Courtney, you know, all because you don't have self-government. You see what I say? And try remember, at the Buffalo soldier on a turn to for hell. I one time on a turn to the Buffalo soldier for hell. Then, the man them make you know say, alright, we are going to help you but on a freeway. You see what I say? And when the man them help you get the British, we couldn't manage. Because remember, I tell you, the man them rape the woman them and have one in a house, a carton and a order. You know? You see what I say? All because you don't have self-government. You see what I say? Don't forget the Buffalo soldier. You see what I say? War the British them. You see what I say? That one could have free. And Abraham Lincoln, what him do? Emancipate the people them. That means from there and then, everybody know black people can't get up and just make decisions in America like that. Anything where black people want, them have to turn to the state for that. It have to go through a court system before black people can get enough of an answer on them shit there. You see what I deal with? But you don't look upon them thing there. Because you don't act like you're not black. You don't act like America is a color. America is a country, my brother, it's not a color. You're not black. You don't feel like. You know what I mean? We're not strong like we, no time at all. We don't eat munchies for dinner, sandwich and munchies to we, you know. A real food we deal with, my brother. When you know, have, you know, technology, you know, like certain crane and certain truck where dig out ground, you know. Jamaican use pickaxe and do that, you know, naturally with them on, you know. And all when big rock and them thing there in the way, you know, man, undermine that, you know, make that drop down like a baby, you know. You see what I say? Meanwhile, you have to use some big equipment, you know, and I try to bust up rock, you know, with some big equipment and them shit. The Jamaican not do them shit. The Jamaican big round it. That drop down like a baby when you undermine it. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. We not physical like we. No joke shit not dead about it. We not physical like we. Just watch we dance all. We not see what the man them do. As some big heavy sex the man them have all a lift up and a run with it in them hand. You think you can try that? And a drop on the face. You not so strong. Remember saying, you know, them look at youth, you know, all them want, you know, some tops, you know. Them can't go an hour pound, you know, not 30 minutes, you know. As him jump pound, you know, 5 minutes, oh, and him come already. You think you can play a Jamaican like that at 3 times you get it for the night, girl, and 1 time in the early morning before you go to work. You hear that you have to run from way. I want me to you. You don't know what thing. When you want the pot for boil up, big wood, have to push a fire. Small wood can't boil up pot, that burn out quick. So you don't come chat to we. Like say, you don't have nothing over Jamaicans. You don't versatile like Jamaican, my friend. Eh? One versatile, you know. The first time them put the Caribbean in a spelling bee contest, Jamaican win that, Jordan Maxwell. I want to do no ban all the Caribbean them from that. No play with we, you know, my brethren. Stop playing with we, you know. You know what I mean? And think a joke thing, you know. You're not tough, you're not rough like we. No time at all, no day. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. No lollipop thing not dead about it. I'm not tell you now already. The Lightning Man broke the world record with 75 meters out with him and them wide what man beat him chest. So you never see that yet in our life. Never ever see that yet. I'm about to play with myself, son. You know what I mean? And that girl, she talk too much than how she run. If she not beat none of the Jamaican them today, you know. Let me tell you something. You see, today, if she not beat none of the Jamaican them today, but she put a zip on her blood clot mouth. You see what I say? Because she the only athlete me know ever come and I go like say, well then, she have hype without no Olympic, no world champion medal. You see what I say? Just want to run her mouth because it look like say she want to be a star on social media. She don't want to be a star on the track. Yo, if you respect the follower, the athlete them. Respect the athlete them where you come see. And respect every athlete where you see a participate. Because you're an athlete too. So I don't know where the fuck you are going with. I don't know what you think or where you feel like. You know what I mean? Why not think? Why not think so much tourists in Jamaica? A blue water was swimming on. With white sand underneath our feet, we feel like a velvet. You know when in America, I'm go and see them shit there. A black water, I don't have my brother. Stop playing with the people, my friend. And act like say we're learning a better than people. I want me to, you know, a United Nation build up this, you know. And stop act like an own, you know. This is what I say. And most of them lazy, you know, no gimmicks thing that about it, you know. We are hard work concerned, you know. You know what I mean? No joke shit not that about it. So if she not win the race today, or she not come first, second or third, nor fourth, we think she need to zip her mouth. Because your mouth can't make you look good on the track. And your foot have to do that. You know what I mean? And just watch the Jamaican girl then. If you not see, because the world record probably gone today, you know. You know, it's in a perfect and good condition for running, you know. You hear me? The world record underneath threat today. You know, in a good, perfect condition for running. We can better that. You see what I say? No joke shit not day and night. No gimmicks thing. You know what I mean?
I mean, no. That's not exactly what I said. They embellish it just a smidge.
The Gaza Nation. I clock out for lunch. Meal out. No gimmicks business, no dead about it. I don't know one to that little girl there. You know what I mean? You're not the fastest little girl from America. No, you're not. So I don't know why you even act like that. I see Fast and you and them never yet come and approach shit like that. You know what I mean? When you don't run on no mode, and when time reality catch up on this I want do, a lot of disrespect, want to get bright to the people them. You know what I mean? You want this the country after track and field we deal with. What you know about Jamaicans? Hmm? No, seriously, like what you know about Jamaicans? Hmm? We're not strong like we, my friend. No time at all. All of you now lift up a big bag of iron to get bigger and thicker. False body you don't have, my virgin. You hear that? False body you don't have. We're not physical like we. No day, no time at all. You see what I say? So don't come on social media and act like so well then on all of that. Let me tell you something. You look a cereal and you look a sandwich. Can't come to a ground food, nor it can't come to the porridge them what we drink. There ain't no time you can bring a cereal to a porridge. You hear that? No gimmicks business not dead about it. We not eat sandwich unless we don't eat with food and munches that. I think we hungry can see man at the construction work and when him come in from work we not fry up egg and them thing they give them both food and both dinner. On a stupid or what? No crazy? Hmm? A real food you have to give man. You hear that? No for my lollipop thing. You see what I say? Yeah, and that's why we can take you for a long ride. You see what I say? All an hour. You know what I mean? 30 minutes. You see what I say? Fire in your hole. I don't know joke shit. You see what I say? And remember, we say big good for girl system. Why you think be a white girl ever come to Jamaica and marry the man them and carry them up? Eh? Them never witnessed such hostility yet in them life when it come on to a clad Houdini business. You hear that? Them never see that yet. First thing girl have to touch up the man them for them get hard. No, we natural hard as we look on your hard. You know what I mean? And better don't everybody try for even make we see all the draws and no gimmicks thing. Thing does a jump and a wave all over the place like a big flag where they on a building. No gimmicks business not day and night. We not deal with drugs business. The more shit go marijuana. You see what I say? No joke shit not in it. So I don't know where this little girl come and talk about banana, about coconut and all kind of shit. It better than the milk you drink, my friend. You see what I say? Yeah. Better than the milk you drink. Cause jelly, young jelly, every one of them single thing the way you see, you have to squeeze in your eye. What kind of eye problem or whatever you have it. After having young jelly in eye. No joke shit not dead about it. You see what I say? And every prescription wanna feel it. After having marijuana in eye. I wanna marijuana like joke to Jamaican shit and make marijuana. You see what I say? We grow marijuana naturally in the soil. We not grow it underneath no light. Nah them shit there. Nah no fancy thing, nah put no pharma chemical on it, nah nothing like that. No joke shit not dead about it. So when you talk to real people, just make sure you talk real. And not come with a gimmicks business. You see what I say? Because you're cereal where you drink and a feed pan. You now can beat them girl for now. And no joke shit. After age catch up on them girl. No joke shit. Them girl firm and solid on you. No lollipop thing, no dead about it. You know say all when Merlin at your 40 yard she still around. Eh? I want me to know. Necessarily and Fraser. She got have baby and come back and burn up the track. Which one I can try that? Try that now. Make we see. You try that on a career over. No joke shit not dead about it. I really am representing Gaza way there ain't no other way. So tell a little girl her name Shacarri. Tell her say if she not coming at the top 5 today, we need her to zip up her mouth. You hear that? 10 star, you know. The general, you know. The people's champion. Hear me I say, hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. What? Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. 10 star. General. Oh,